It's our favorite time of the year. With weddings and festivities in full swing, I thought it would be the perfect opportunity for me to show you along as I get ready for a small celebration at our home. From setting the mood to how I do my hair and makeup to finally picking my outfit for the evening, in this video I'll be taking you guys with me through the process. So let's get started. The festivities allow us to go a little overboard with our makeup, and this time around I'm not shying away from it either. Functions and parties also mean a lot of pictures and selfies, which is why for my look today I've used the Makeup Forever HD foundation as my base. Next up, I use MAC Studio Fix powder to help settle and blend it all away with my beauty blender. For my eyes, I've used the Maybelline Nudes palette to create my classic gold smoky eyes. I've also created a step-by-step tutorial as to how you can create this look, and I'll be linking it in the description, so make sure you check that out. A quick swirl of the Benefits They're Real mascara and my eyes are done. Now, I usually opt for nude lips whenever I create a smoky eye, but this time around I thought of changing that up to create a bold lip. I used the classic Ruby Woo from MAC as a lip stain and mixed it with Fruity Lip Pencil from MAC again to create the shade that I was looking for. Finally, I topped it up with a little nude gloss from Nykaa. I've kept the blush towards the end of my makeup so that I can see how much of it do I really need. Herein, I'm using Peaches from MAC. Now, I'm not a highlighter person at all, but for this look, I brought out my highlighter palette from MyGlam and used it sparingly on my cheekbones, inner corner of the eye and above my lips for that extra glow. Next, we're moving on to the hair, and it's all about an effortless, comfortable look to last you the night. Nothing too polished and made up. So I've decided to create a signature Bardo updo with a ponytail. To create that texture, curl your entire head and simply run your fingers through it to loosen them up. Then I simply and somewhat messily take the hair up and tie them in a perky high ponytail. For my look today, I chose to rework my engagement lehenga and wear it as a skirt. I always try and do away with the classic hues for the night, and this rich marigold color did just that for me. I have also always believed that it is elegant and graceful to show just a sliver of skin without looking too scandalous. Pick one of your best assets to feature and not all of them. Today, I'm pairing my lehenga skirt with a sequined ruffle top from Zara. And to finish up, I've added this beautiful choker neck piece for the décolletage. I've put a link to all that I've featured in the video today in the description, so make sure you stop by. Wishing you all the most glorious, prosperous and a fabulous time with your loved ones. Happy festivities! Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. I'm new to YouTube, so I really need your love and support. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified whenever the next Trimmings and Lace video comes out.